Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Ashimary Wigs. I collaborate with them with a lot of their deep wave wigs, their curly wigs. It just gives a vibe. It's worth the money, does not shed, nothing like that. This is their wear and go 10 by 6. Have you guys seen a 10 by 6 waist? You have not seen a 10 by 6 lace. What? So it's a closure, but it's giving you like frontal vibes because it goes so far down. If the wind blows, I'll feel confident. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys me installing this wig. Very quick, same installs as usual, but this is their new wig, so I wanted to come and bring it to you guys. If you guys did not see a video like this before, here is your video. The link will be in my description box if you guys are interested in this wig. Obviously, this wig is bomb. Look at the ends of the wig. I diffused the ends, but I'm sure if you leave it to air dry with the technique that I told you, when you wash it and then you put it laying down on a towel for like 2 hours and then hang it up, bomb. Like what? Let's get right into this video so you guys can see what came in the packaging. They gave a lot of stuff in the packaging, and then I'm gonna install it and style it. Very quick styling. I did not take long at all. Detangling and stuff with this hair, it basically already came styled, but I wanted to make sure that it was flowing with my vibes. So let's get right into this video. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, if you're interested in this 10 by 6 wear and go wig, it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything, child. Look how far back the lace goes, so it's very natural. I just use gel, this extreme gel, to install. So if you guys want to follow this install, yeah. If you want it to last a little bit longer, because this will last me the whole day even in the summertime, but if you want it to last longer, I'll recommend putting like a hairspray or a wig spray or holding spray on it. You can also use the tapes. But yeah, literally I don't have to do anything to this wig. Once more, this is how the ends look. It's so full, so pretty. Look at that. I will have Ashimary links down below like I always say. Make sure you guys check them out if you're interested. And if you're not into a frontal but you want that frontal look, this is the wig for you. Thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.